Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get TikTok on your Mac and use it just like a real desktop app. So let's get started. First, open Safari. You can click the icon in your dock or press Command plus space and type Safari to open it through Spotlight Search. Once Safari is open, head over to TikTok.com and wait for the page to fully load. Now look at the very top of your screen in the macOS menu bar. Click File, and then choose Add to Dock. A small pop-up window will appear. Here, you can rename it to TikTok or anything you prefer. Once you're done, click Add. You'll now see a TikTok icon appear in your dock. Click it, and TikTok will open in its own separate window, almost like a native Mac app. You can even close Safari completely. TikTok stays open on its own. And that's it. You've just added TikTok to your Mac. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials.